Cough rattles but baby bounces playful, no fever, chill. Autumn phlegm common, spirited. Eats, sleeps fine? Skip the hospital rush. Meds months useless. Spring clears natural. Vitamin AD repairs mucosa if needed. Key 1. Observe energy. Key 2. No drug floods. Key 3. Mild aids. Vivid, cough bout. Vomiting, back to toys, fine. Step by step, warm fluids. Humid air, cuddling. Energy in patience. But pill parade immunity dips low. Watchful waiting heals best. Comment your cough calm. Part 6/7 drops tomorrow. Hit subscribe and bell.